How to integrate WhatsApp with Odoo. First, set up your Odoo environment. Ensure the Odoo system is properly working and set up. This can either be a cloud-hosted instance or a local server. Make sure you have administrator access to manage the Odoo configuration. Then install the WhatsApp integration module. To integrate WhatsApp with Odoo, you'll need to install a third-party module that enables WhatsApp communication. There are several modules available on the Odoo App Store, such as WhatsApp integration for Odoo or Twilio WhatsApp integration. So go to the Odoo App Store, search for WhatsApp integration, select a module and click install. Once installed, the module will appear in your Odoo apps. Then configure the WhatsApp integration, so go to the module settings. This will typically be found under settings or configuration tab. If you're using Twilio, create a Twilio account and obtain your Twilio account SID or authentication code from the Twilio console. Enter your Twilio credentials into the WhatsApp integration module, settings in Odoo. If using WhatsApp Business API, follow the official WhatsApp API documentation to link your phone with Odoo. Then just test the connection. Once the integration settings are complete, you should test the connection to ensure it's working properly. From Odoo, go to WhatsApp or messaging section. Try sending a text test message to your phone via Odoo. Check if the WhatsApp message is successfully sent to your phone or another device. If everything works, your WhatsApp integration is now set up properly. After setting everything up, send several test messages and interactions to make sure everything works smoothly. If this helped you, subscribe.